guys, welcome back to Algebra 2. I'm Mrs. Collette.
Hey, welcome back. I'm Mr. Thomas.
We are here to talk to you
Whoa,
about...
whoa. Hold on. Mr. Thomas,
Yeah.
you got taller, a little bit darker,
Yeah.
and a little bit better looking.
Okay.
I need you, new and improved Mr. Thomas, to go back and do whatever you're doing.
Dang.
All right?
All right.
I thought I
Yeah.
noticed something a little.
It's me, it's the real Mr. Thomas, all right? I'm not as good as the new and improved Mr. Thomas, but if you're a pre-engineering student, just stay in the program and you will have him. He also goes by Mr. Goldsmith, all right? He's a great office mate. So, anyways, Miss Collette, why are we here today?
We are here to go over the surveys that you guys did the week before fall break.
Yes.
Yes.
So, we will post this Google slide on Google Classroom. You can watch the video. If you're watching this, that means you are watching the video.
Yep.
So just keep with it. So we're going to review this survey, and we're going to break it down section by section. So section 1 is your experience with Google Classroom and the virtual days. Ms. Collette, what were some of the positives that they
Some
said?
positives were the assignments were clear and easy to find, which is really important. And then technology is working for most students.
So, those are positives. So what were suggestions or things that we may adjust in our displays of Google Classroom and the assignments? So number 1, some people don't feel comfortable using technology for the virtual classroom. There was, I don't know, maybe 7 or 8 people that said, I don't feel total comfort with it. If that is you, the solution, reach out to me.
Or me.
And specify your problem, okay? Tell us what exactly is not working or what exactly you're struggling with, and we will help you. All right, second thing.
More explanation. So with this, we need to review the slides on the presentation, and they are in each assignment for your Google Classroom. You know, we have this video that's going to be linked, whatever video is for that lesson, and also the Google Slides presentation. So go over the presentation, watch the video, and then the Math Excel question help. So those are going to be ways for you, tools for you, and also, you know, you can always email the instructor through that.
Yes.
Okay.
Then somebody said, can we get more days in class? Well, myself and Ms. Collette, we don't decide that.
Yeah.
So that is contingent on COVID. The best way we can address this problem, to what I imagine is whoever put this, will, you know, you just do a lot better when the teacher is explaining it versus when you're having to watch the videos on your own. So the best way I can tell you to handle this is on the days that you come ready to learn. Have all the previous work done so that when you get there, we can review the previous work and really spend a lot of time on that day's work finishing. So that is section 1, Google Classroom / virtual days.
Okay, so section 2 was in-person days. So some positives are effective lectures and presentations, effective use of time, teachers stimulate interest, which is good. Teachers are kind and helpful, most important thing, and prompt grading. So those were some positives that you guys had said.
Some suggestions and solutions. Somebody said, can we get more fun activities that go along with the math problems? Well, myself and Ms. Collette do desire to make our classes fun. As far as the sort of application of projects that you might see in an Algebra 2 class, we're not going to do a lot of those because your PLTW classes incorporate some of the math concepts that you're going to learn here. So you're sort of learning the fundamentals of the theories and the concepts, and then you'll go to whatever your PLTW classes are and actually work those out in fun projects.
Yeah. More time to work on confusing problems. And so some solutions here would be whenever you come to class with specific homework questions. You have to do the day before's assignment, okay, or the days before. You can't just show up with nothing unless it's a Monday. Come to class with specific problems that you're having, so then we could address those. And then at whiteboard work, once we have installed, we can do more problems. And so we hear that, and so we are going to do more problems as well.
All right, very good, thank you. And somebody asked for more lessons in class. Unfortunately, to keep our same sort of schedule and rhythm, we're gonna keep our same thing that we've been doing. We're gonna do review for 15 minutes or so. We're gonna do our lesson for 20 to 30 minutes, and then you're gonna have individual study time. Now during that individual study time, that's when myself and Ms. Collette will be able to help you with that lesson or any previous work that you need help with.
Yes.
Finally, somebody said listen more. That was not very specific, but I would say speak more. If you're having issues, whether it be in-person day stuff or virtual day, you gotta tell us, okay?
Mm-hmm.
That's a good life skill that you want to develop. It's okay to ask for help. We're encouraging you. Ask for help.
We don't know problems until they're told to us. Okay, so we can't address it or fix it if we don't know if there's a problem.
Very true. All right, third section, our YouTube channel. And this one had the most opportunities for improvement. Some positives. You guys said that the videos are mostly helpful in teaching the concepts. The videos are mostly engaging and fun. And some of you, or several of you, said having two different teachers produce the videos was good. So what are some opportunities for improvement for us?
So an editor, video quality. I mean, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. This is as good as it's gonna get, as good as we can possibly make it.
We're trying, but we're working with our cell phones and the lighting is not great.
Yeah.
So
So
we're not gonna spend $1,000
sorry.
on a good camera, sorry.
Math Excel problems and then writing steps on the side of the board. I think what we're going to try to do is we are going to go over some additional problems or maybe the tougher questions, and we'll post a separate video. Okay, so we're going to try to video us teaching those harder problems, and then we'll upload those into the designated assignment to help. Instead of in the lesson, we'll do a separate video.
Good. So you may have two videos to watch.
Right.
Some of you guys said we move too fast. Pause the video. So we've talked about like having the slides presentation open up on a window and having the video opened up. You can pause the video and then look at the slides just to help you visually. I would encourage you also to take handwritten notes, and that may help kind of as you pause to consolidate the information.
And shorten videos, and this is why we are doing additional videos, because we are trying to cover a whole lesson in about 10 minutes. So we are going fast, maybe a little too fast. That's why you can pause it. We're trying to shorten them as much as we can, but they're going to be 10 to 15 minutes. And that's why we want to do additional videos for just problems, so that way it doesn't get over 15.
All right, and I think we had one or two people ask for special guests. I hope you've already seen that we're willing to add guests.
Yes.
Mr. Goldsmith helped us out today, but if you have suggestions of people you want to see, so maybe you want to see more videos of my kids, or maybe you want to see Miss Colette's kids,
Yeah.
or maybe you don't want to see any kids, just let us know, and we'll try to incorporate those things in. We want the videos to be informative, but we also want them to be engaging and fun. So, anyways, all this was to show that we care about you, our students.
Yes.
We want to help, and we're making steps to do it. We look forward to seeing you after fall break. Goodbye.
Bye.